Hello, yep, it's me, Jenny B, and today I am going to design some press-on nails. With regular polish, I have this from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to use this beige as the base, and I think I'm going to do little cow spots with the pink. Let's see how that works. I have some glitters here, so I may add some pink glitter. So yes, let's use some cheap polish today. I'm going to set it up. I'm using these press-ons, the Ballerina 123 Go nails from E Nail Couture. They're in little baggies. Oh, move this aside. So I am going to size those up. Oh, 5 is one of those. Okay, so I'm going to size those up. Perfect. Oh, that has a weird tab still there. So anyway, I'm going to do that, and I'll be back. I'm back. Forgot to file the edges, because I always do. So I'm just going to file those real quick, make sure there's no tab on it. Then I am going to finish that up real fast. There we go. Doesn't need much, the shape is fine. Okay. I usually just do that again when I put them on, but they're not going to be on for a while. Anyway, I'm going to use the Gel X Prep, as always, to prep the nail for polish. I just put a quick swipe on all of them. Oop, falling off. There we go. There we go, put it away. Now I'm going to put 2 coats of this. It's 619 is their name. Simply. So I'm just putting that on everything. It is pretty sheer. So that goes 2 coats. I'll let it sit a little bit. And then we will get to the decorating. I just make sure everything's covered. Okay, I'm gonna make this cow print on a few of them. I think I'm just gonna start with 2. We'll go there. And I have this pink Art Deco from LA Colors. This was from the Dollar Tree in Poppin' Pink. It has a nice thin brush already. Oh, that's cute. With one that's gone rogue, but that's fine. Let's trim that off. Or not. What did I do with my little scissors? They're gone. Okay, we'll just be careful. Okay. So I'm going to take my little stand and a nail. And let's make little cow prints. Let's see how easy it is. Oh, better. A little bit more on there works better. They don't have to be perfect. seems like a good amount on the brush is better. I'm going to let that sit overnight anyway. There we go. Oh, ha ha ha. Put that back there. I don't know how that pink got on there, but we'll do the same thing. Let's see. I'm trying to smooth out that edge. That's a lot. There we go. Perfect. Oh, did I knock it over? Nothing spilt. We're good. Okay. Cute. Look at that. And turn out cute. The other one. At the edges. And this side I'll have the bigger one that goes up here. There we go. Okay, that one had a weird spot. There we go. Let's see if it'll stay down. It's gonna pop up. Just keep knocking that thing over, the skinny bottle. Oh, that is not good either. There we go. There we go. Little edge. It works. Make it up more. There we go. There's the other one. Perfect. Let that dry. And do I want something on other? I think I want them all matte. So I'm going to use my OPI matte top coat. Just regular polish, does not need a dryer. This one's wet. I'm going to do those last. But I am going to put it on those tan ones. I don't know if I've used this top coat. How funny. I'm going to let those dry. Before I mess it up with the polish, because that's tends what I do. Oh, nice. Turning matte already. Look at that. That's pretty. I'm going to smear it if I try to do it now. Isn't that cute? Turning dry. So I'm going to let that dry for a bit, and I'll be back. 3, 2, okay. It's only been like 2 minutes, but I think they're dry enough to put the top coat on. So we will do it together. Oh, perfect. Oop. Yeah. I shouldn't have held down. Now that my tip's pink, okay, should have waited. I am impatient. I don't mind the smear though. Let's see. There we go. And I'm just wiping because I'm making a mess. I'll just do that. Oh, not bad, not bad. Not bad. These turned out better than the others. I smeared it a little. Let's wait for that part to dry. Ooh, regular polish. I'm so impatient. Okay, I am back. I tried patching it up a little bit. And then I put another coat of matte top coat on it. I do like the matte top coat. Not sure about the design I did, but that's okay. I don't have to like it, and it's press on nails. I can just throw those out and start over. So, we'll see. Next time, I think I will do another animal print with beige background and see if I can get 2 nails that I like, because I don't like those. But that's okay. Not everyone is a win, and we just keep going, right? Perfect. So let me know what you think down below. Thank you so much for joining me today. Give me a nice thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I appreciate you all. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Toodaloo.